Hi, we're Happenstance. My name is Joanne Seifel,
I'm Steve Morgan.
and we're going to be playing an original for you that James L. Sinise wrote for me back in 2016. I hope the song makes you feel hopeful. When daylight comes, we all will see the time has come for you and me. No time to run from raging seas. When daylight comes, we'll all be flying. When daylight comes, the blind will see the changing times in front of me. They sold their souls, but not for free. When daylight comes, we'll all be fine. Hold on to what you believe. Don't let them take your heart from your sleeve. Stand up and fight for what you believe. When daylight comes, we'll all be flying. When daylight comes, we all will be free at last. For the world of green, our lives don't change. Just wait.